Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to check out how to invest in stocks on Cash App, because you can do that, and that's awesome to do. So let's get right into the video. Using Cash App, you could mobile app. You could first of all open the Cash App mobile app, and then tap the Investing tab, then tap Stocks, and then browse or search for the stocks you want to buy. Then tap the stocks to view its details, and then tap buy to purchase the stocks. Then enter the amount you want to invest and review the transaction details, including the share prices and fees and all that, and then confirm the purchase. Now, there are requirements that you got to take note of. You can't do this if your account is not verified. That's the very first requirement. So your account got to be verified before you can go ahead with this. So if your account isn't verified, first you got to make sure you go verify your account. The second thing is to make sure you have sufficient funding, because of course you're gonna need money to buy it. So you got to make sure you got enough funds to buy the stocks. And of course, the third is to ensure your stock trading is supported in your region. So you got to make sure that stock is supported and all that. Otherwise, you're not even going to be able to push through with it. Coming down to fees. Take note, Cash App offers commission-free trading for stocks. So that's always a good thing. But Cash App may require small regulatory fees for certain trades. So you got to note which of those trades are gonna cost you, regulatory fees or not. Got a couple of tips for you guys planning to go ahead with this. The first is to invest wisely. Of course, invest in stocks that you want to risk. It's kind of like Bitcoin. It's kind of volatile, though stocks are a bit more trustworthy, but you gotta be wise about it. You can't just rush into something you don't know. It's best to research about it, find out the things involved, and before you go ahead and put your money in it. And the second is to diversify your portfolio. So don't hamper your money on one stock. It's best if you got a bunch of money you want to put in, it's best to split that up between different stocks instead of just going ahead and dumping that all on one portfolio. So you got to split that up. The third is to make sure you monitor your investment. Of course, don't just invest and leave that hanging there. Check on it, make sure everything is going according to plan. Always keep tabs on it. That's pretty much what I gotta say. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and for those who haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, because that helps us out a lot. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.